Sunbeams 3, we are in week 7 and we will start with our song. I'm going to say it's cold. Okay, let's peek from behind the clouds.
When the sun peeks from behind the clouds, the sunbeams sing and play. We will be together when it's cold, it is our music day. Then we'll see who's joining in the fun. Clap your hands and tap your toes, keep time with everyone. When we join our hands and circle round, the sunbeams bring a smile. We will be together in our class and happy all the while. Then we'll see who's joining us today. Hello, sunbeams, hello, sunbeams, we're all here to play.
Right hand, let's say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's do our scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, so. And I hope you're singing that at home, okay? I do need pictures of your homework and pictures of your practice sheets. So hopefully we're getting in 5 happy practices every week. We are continuing with our A minor scale and we are doing A minor harmonic with left hand chords. So with our A minor harmonic, our 5-7 chord is going to have G sharp. And then back down. So the only thing that's tricky is that 5-7 with G sharp, D, and E. Okay. Then triads, remember we're only playing A, C, and E. In the left hand. And then broken, strong. And the left hand. And we should be doing our scale with the chords a couple times a day. Our triads probably solid and broken twice each every day as well. Then our piece for this week is our Halloween fun one. It's called Dress Up Time. So hopefully we can, even if we don't go trick-or-treating, can dress up and have some fun with that. And you can send me pictures of you in your costume if you would like. We have moderato, a medium speed, not fast, not slow. We have a 3/4 time signature. So 3 beats in a bar, beat is a quarter note. We're thinking strong, weak, weak. And 3/4 time is our waltz beat. So we have forte and we have ledger line note D above middle C. And then interesting coming through here, we switch into our harmonic minor scale with G sharp and our melodic minor scale with F sharp and G sharp here. So this is your solo. This is the only piece you're working on for the week. And then on L27, we are looking at dynamics. So those are our louds and our soft. Forte, piano, crescendo, gradually getting louder, diminuendo or decrescendo, gradually getting quieter. And articulation. Articulation is how we play something. Staccato, bouncy, or legato, smooth and connected. And tempo. Allegro is quick and lively, fast. Andante, at a walking pace. Ritardando, gradually getting slower. Moderato, and medium speed, not fast, not slow. Okay, so what do you hear here? next one. Number 3. And okay, so you wouldn't hear all of them, but let me know what you hear. And then we have on our E section, we are continuing with E11 and we are looking at E13, which is amusement. And this is a piece that is a grade 1 piece that we will be looking at potentially later this year. C is for common time, 4-4. And other than that, we have a first ending, a repeat sign, go to here and go into the second ending. But we've had that already in our Turkey in the Straw. So nothing different there. And you can read about Maya Badlin. She is from Romania originally, and she's now lives in Canada. So then homework. So I have not been getting pictures from all of you. I would really like that to be happening. On page 16, you're going to go through and name the notes. And remember, capital letters always for naming notes, even if they're in the middle of a sentence or middle of a word. Okay, I know in school that would be horrible, but we always use capital letters when we're naming notes on the staff. Then page 21, we are looking at ledger line notes. So ledger line notes extend the staff down or up, and they could extend the treble clef down into the bass clef, or they can extend the treble clef up higher in the treble clef. Same thing for the bass clef. So pay attention to where middle C is. C sharp is above middle C. B sharp is, okay. And here we have middle C is right here. So pay attention to where these notes are in relation to middle C. This C sharp is an octave below middle C. Okay. Then page 29, we're looking at how we use our inner ledger lines to borrow notes. So on the staff, sometimes we would have D as a treble clef note, or sometimes we would have D that we would play as a bass clef note. Our left hand would play this. So at the bottom, we're showing E as a treble clef note, and then we're showing E as a bass clef note. So they want you to look through here. This note is D, show D as a bass clef note. Show B as a treble clef note. And always pay attention to where middle C is. Count down or count up from middle C to reach the note in the opposite staff. Okay, and then page 40, we are writing in counting. So in our 4/4 time signature, 4 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note. 3 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note, and 3/4. And because there's eighth notes, we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So rather than use your bread tags to show the counts, I want you to write in the counting. And if there's eighth notes, we have to use ands all the way through. So there's eighth notes, you have to use ands all the way through. So again, you are crossing out, use your bread tags, you are writing in the counting. And on page 45, you are writing in the counting and putting bar lines in. So 3 beats in a bar, you're going to every 3 counts, put a bar line. 2 beats in a bar, every 2 counts. And remember for this one, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. An eighth note, an eighth rest is 1 and then 2 and 3 and. Otherwise, it should be fairly straightforward with your theory. And we are continuing online, unfortunately, until at least after Christmas. So if you could send me a text, pop by and pick up your things that you will need for the next few weeks for online, music, that would be great. And we will, if any of you have any concerns about continuing online, please contact me. But right now, until we get a vaccine, I cannot see us coming into studio. So please know I am as upset about that as you are. But we're going to make this work the best that we can, all right? So send me a text, pick up your bag that you will need for the next few weeks. Send me pictures of your homework, and let me know if you need any extra things to work on, and have fun on your dress up time, your K-15, and with your scale work. So we'll say goodbye.
So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it.
Have a great week, you guys. 5 happy practices.